Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a sword slash hammer slash gun slash lightsaber slash whatever you want that you can hold in your hand in today's video. Now, this is my first video on the new channel, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get straight into it. So, as you can see over here, I have a lightsaber, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it on a block. Then delete the chair under you. Wait, first you're going to want to get out the screwdriver. I'll explain how to do this in a second. So once you got that, then you're just going to want to just run around, do whatever you want with it. It doesn't really matter, but yeah. So the tools you're going to need in this video is the scale tool and the screwdriver. Obviously, you're going to use the building tool and the deleting tool, but you know, whatever. Just please leave a like on this video because I just spent like 1,000 gold on one safe slot because I already have a ton. So, just to save today's video. Yeah, let's get into it. So, here, I'll show you the blocks you're going to need. You're going to need 2 of these. Okay. Then you're going to need 1 of, where is it? My inventory is too big. Need 1 of those. And you're going to need, in my opinion, you're going to need another one of these if you're making a sword or a hammer, but maybe not. Then you're also going to need 1 of these, depending on what you're building. You may need 2. Anyways, that's pretty much the gist of what you're going to need. Also, you're going to need a chair. So, place down 1 chair, then build up by 2, I believe, before you start building your actual thing. Okay, good. It's not connected. So, you're going to want to get out your scale tool, lift this up. You're going to do whatever you want to do with this one. I'm going to say like right there for me. That might be different for you. I'm going to have concrete for this one, but you might use a different material. It doesn't really matter. I'm just building hammer. Okay, once you do that, then you're going to want to have to delete those blocks. Then you're going to sit down in your chair. I'm going to save this. But a thing to note, if you're going to save your thing, then make sure not to place down the glue block. First, you just want to save it, like how I'm doing it right now. Take a good look at that, and we're going to save it. I'll name it later after the video. Then you're going to want to go ahead and pull out your glue block. And place it right there. Make sure it matches up with your arm and whatever. And it needs to be 1 block off the floor at very least. Then you're going to want to go ahead and pull out your screwdriver. Select all. And anchored. Then you're going to want to delete the block under you. Now, you have your thing. Now, if you want to go ahead and, like, do stuff with it and swing it, you're going to want to attach it to your hand. But, yeah. So, for the end video, I'll show you all mine that I did. I did this one. sword. This is my probably favorite, in my opinion. This one's attached to the very end of my finger, so it has a lot more ways. Oh no. It has a lot more swaying momentum, so you can swing this one around. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys got something out of this or enjoyed it. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace out. Bye. All fans.